remember years ago, someone told me I should take caution when it comes to love. I did, and you were strong and I was not. My illusion, my mistake. I was careless, I forgot I did.
And now, when I was on, there's nothing to say. You have gone to love and hate. You have won, you could go ahead, tell them all I know now. Shout it from the rooftops, write it on the skyline. All we had is gone now.
Tell them I was happy and my heart is broken. All my scars are open. Tell them what I hope would be impossible. Falling out of love is hard. Falling for betrayals is worse. Broken trust and broken hearts. I know.
Thinking all you need is there. Build and face all one word. Empty promises, no